Come test drive the 2016 Land Cruiser. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, roof rack, splash guards, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, lane departure warning, trip computer, ashtray, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.